Hello, I'm Christina here. I am going to be playing this game. I'm sorry. We're going to be doing Warrior Cats, the most background Warrior Cat characters that ever lived. Let me just think of one. Oh god, this is hard. I'm gonna do White Storm because I like White Storm. Yes. No. Yes, but not in a good way. No. No. No, duh. Nope. I'm just gonna say don't know. Nope. Yes, he's a cat. No, he is not bad. Yes. No, but he was deputy once. He is a part of the clan? No, he is white. Yes, he is dead. Nope. Yes, he is white. Oh god, he's got it. Oh no. Nope. Take that. Oh no. No, I'm gonna just say yes. But I'm gonna have to watch a video to see if he got it right. I'll see you guys soon. I turned up the sound, and then this is what I get to. Yes, it's Whitestone. Just yesterday, I was watching a bunch of cat name generators, and the cat names I got was so crap. I was a rogue twice. And my favorite name, Snowstorm. All the other ones were crap. Character. My favorite character is Grey Wing, so I'll do that one. No, Yellow Fang, but I already did that one. When I was testing this thing out. You'll know. It's just a weird question. Does your character... Oh, where it probably. Is your character bad? No. No, it's not Pokemon. I did Hooper just before, so that's probably why. He got it wrong twice. It was hilarious. Yes. Nope. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. 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 Yes. Oh, there we go. He's starting to get it. No, he never joined Thunder's clan. Oh yeah, by the way, in case you didn't know, Grey Wing's like one of the main characters in all the clans. Yes. No. 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 Yes. No. Who's your character? No. Does your character play? Yes, multiple times. Crap. I'll have to see you again later to see if you got it. Turns out that was a really short ad. Anyway, this is the answer I get. I am not furious. I am not furious. But at least he knows all the clan characters. Ooh, I'm gonna do J Feather. Oh, I'm so gonna do J Feather. Oh my god, J Feather's like one of my favorite characters as well. He's like third favorite. J Feather's a female. Does your character really exist? No. He did. Nope. No. Why did it take so long to answer that? I don't know, but no, he's fat. Nope. No. No. Wait, who am I doing again? Oh no. J-Fat, right? No. Why did I say no to that? Oh no, I got so much wrong in here. Oh, I messed up so bad. I think he does. I don't know. No. It's like around my dad's height. And he's giant. Definitely not. Yes. 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 No. Kind of. Definitely not. Definitely not. Nope. I messed up so much on this one, so I'll see you guys later and see. So, I thought we could see together a player who never agrees. No. We're just gonna like keep going and give him another chance. He does speak. Some will argue that he's blue, but he's grey. No. No. Yes. Oh, why? Oh. Is your car? Does your character turn? No. No. Is your character linked with magic? Kind of. No. No. To me, he is, but after I say no. No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. Oh, God, well, that gives it away. Yes. Okay, let's see how much we messed up with, J-Fella. Because I know we messed up. Does your character have... So, it told me off last time for doing that. These are the two I wasn't paying attention to. Does your character have legs? And, it's just... Every answer was no. Expected answer, I don't know. No, J-Fat is definitely not as tall as my dad, thank you very much. He was 185 centimeters tall. Hey, Poppy Frost can count as a friend in Briley and Fuzzball. Yeah, he has at least 2 friends. And his siblings. Actually, he does not have a normal life. Thank you very much. I think J-Fat is loyal. Wait, what? Is your character linked with... No, whatever. I'm out of here. But I'll do one more. Let's make this as hard as possible. I want Silver Flame, I think, Grandma. Who didn't get it? Sorry, just pick hard. I think he doesn't know about the super edition, so we're gonna have to, like, Mine. Oh, Icewind. I just remember Icewind because she's also like a Wings of Fire dragon, but she's a river playing cat, and she's had kids. I remember. I don't remember what happened to them. We never really get anything on her. I just know she trained in the Dark Forest once. Yeah, she's a very insignificant character, but I just know her because of her name. No. No, she's not dead. Last time I checked. Nope. No. No. Yes. Nope. Nope. She is white. Oh god, I feel kind of bad. She lives in the marshes, but I'm gonna count woods. No, they're dead by now. No. Kind of, but no, she's white. No. I don't know, but I'm just gonna say no. I don't know. I just think she's kids. No. No. Yes. This is such an insignificant character. I just realized I didn't finish my sentence on you guys. But ah well. Haha, he gets Heather Tail. Should I press? No, it's not. You're gonna keep going. Yep. Nope. Yep. Yes. Okay. Frostfur, nope. Oh, I said yes. Oops. But are you guys still here for that ad? Oh god, I'm so sorry. You did not have to endure that with me. But no, it was actually not Frostfur. But I totally let him do that. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna have to say bye now. Subscribe to Kai, and while you're at, please subscribe to me. Check out my other videos. I'll probably do a lot more Akinator videos. But first, how about we have a look at Frostfur's thing? Oh, it's right here. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna